Unit 8, Recording 2, Part 1.
Today, in the third of my lectures on human behaviour, I'm going to talk about the difference between the way people act when they're being watched, or think they're being watched, and how they act when they're unobserved. I'll be describing a recent experiment conducted at Newcastle University. I'll be drawing conclusions from this experiment to see what it teaches us about psychology and behaviour. And finally, I'll be comparing it with other key research findings in the area. So, what did the team at Newcastle set out to discover? They wanted to find out whether the simple belief that they were being watched would alter people's behaviour. To do this, they made use of an honesty box in a staff common room at the university. The idea behind the honesty box was that staff members would pay the correct amount for their coffee and tea. This honesty box had been in there for several years, so no one had any idea that an experiment was taking place. What they did was to place a small poster at eye level above the honesty box, listing the prices for the drinks. However, each week the poster alternated between different images of either flowers or of a pair of eyes looking straight at the observer. Here you can see examples of the kind of pictures they used. At the end of each week, the team monitored the amount of money that had been collected and compared this to the volume of milk that had been consumed. They found that people paid nearly 3 times as much money when the notice included a pair of eyes as when it included an image of flowers.